Welcome everybody to the complete YouTube course, How to Be a Star of Your Own Videos. I'm Superman, your superhero on Udemy. This course is going to be how you can be the star of your own videos. I've got another course on how you can create a YouTube channel and make money without filming yourself, but this one is about filming yourself. This one is to appeal to those of you who wants to be the next PewDiePie, the next Jenna Marbles, the next Smosh, the next Fine Bros, the next Justin Bieber, all these people who made it on YouTube and earn so much money now because of their megastar celebrity because of what they created on YouTube. The power is in your hands today to be able to go on YouTube to do the things that you love doing. Now, PewDiePie loves gaming, he loves making funny videos. Justin Bieber, he loves singing, he loves playing guitar, he loves performing for people. Jenna Marbles likes making funny videos, likes entertaining people, likes to make you laugh. These are all the things that they love doing. They're not putting it on, they're not hustling in order to make money, they're doing it because they love doing it and they can continue to do it because they have a passion for it. My job today is to help you find your passion and how you can use YouTube to transform your life and turn that passion into something bigger. Now, a lot of people have made a fortune on YouTube and become megastars because they make viral videos doing what they love. That's the other thing I'm going to be showing you. Not only are you going to be able to do the things that you love, but you're going to get people to watch them and you're going to present in a way that makes people want to watch more and subscribe to you. I would not be doing my job if I said to you, oh, you could do this, you could do that. I'm going to tell you prescriptively, what do you need to do to be the next Dan TDM, the next PewDiePie? You have to do these things if you want to be successful, because I know this already, having uploaded only 30 videos to my main channel, the Superman channel. With 30 videos, I got over 1 million video views. I've got over 10,000 subscribers. I'm making enough to almost earn $30,000 a year. Doing what I love. This isn't work. YouTube is one of the very few jobs you can have that is not work. It's pure fun. So I've got two main channels. I've got this one, the Superman channel, which has nearly 11,000 subscribers. It's where I do gaming videos. It's where I do funny edits. It's where I do Minecraft videos. It's where I do GTA 5 videos. It's where I do how-to videos. Facebook Live videos, how to be a successful gamer on YouTube, how to build a website in 10 minutes. And then this one where I just showcase products, new products like my Apple Sports Watch, the unboxing of it, a review of it, the things you can do with it, and much more. There's so many things you can do on YouTube that, if you just put the effort in, can be really successful. Now, I wish that I had more time to dedicate to YouTube, but with my main role being a Udemy instructor, I don't do enough. But I would love, basically, to be able to just make videos all day, every day. The life of a YouTuber is a wonderful life. Everybody wants to be a YouTuber nowadays, and people think that you had to get in there early to be big. You only had to be in there early if you want to be big now. You can still be big in 2016, and I'm going to show you exactly how to hack the process. Hack it. I'm not just going to show you how to be #1 on a keyword search. I'm not just going to show you how to make epic thumbnails. I'm going to show you everything you need to not only rank high, but also be watched and repeat watched, to be subscribed to, and to be adored as a person on YouTube. You can use this for business purposes. You can use this for your passion. As you can see here, this one's for my passion. This one here is for business. And I go online and I educate people on YouTube as well as on Udemy. So the power to be successful on YouTube is in your hands as long as you follow this course and understand all the necessary components you need to start being successful on YouTube now. The money on YouTube is a bonus. But the real thing that's great about YouTube is doing something you love doing. The one thing that connects the biggest YouTubers on the planet is that they love doing it and they can keep doing it. The one thing that makes people come off YouTube who have a bit of success is the fact they're in it for the money. Don't be in it for the money. Be in it for the love. The money comes naturally. So, I hope that you enjoy this course and I look forward to seeing you in the next lectures.